for your health and happiness. The Marpe Rehabilitation Daycare Center has a fitness zone, a healing zone, a cognitive zone, and an ADL zone for daily activities. It is operated as a specialized program of Marpe. Marpe Rehabilitation Daycare Center. The professional and systematic Marpe Rehabilitation Exercise Program uses both upper and lower body-separated suits to provide safe exercise without risk of falling by wearing the suits simultaneously, according to the symptoms of the elderly. In addition, the Marpe sling can also raise the patient's weight with little effort. It is easy to wear the lower body suit to disperse the weight out so it is not an overburden. On the other hand, it has a feature to change course and keep sling in one place by using turn terminal. The walking program uses a seatbelt and the sling's handles to walk in a correct posture. It has the advantage of being able to walk safely without falling and to walk on its own without the help of the guardian. In addition, it is possible to walk in the right posture, even for elderly people who maintain horizontal level while walking and who have an elderly hemiparesis or unstable posture. The Body Cognitive Activity Program uses a variety of props to perform a variety of Marpe awareness programs. The Marpe sling has a function to securely and tightly fix the horizontal brakes on any position of the rail. This fixation will allow you to perform a variety of rehabilitation exercises unique to the sling. In addition, since it prevents falls, we can rehabilitate a large number of elderly people at the same time with 1 or 2 manpower. Also, the entire sling is fixed, so we can safely perform body rehabilitation function training. We provide elderly balance check and body evaluation through Marpe Body Evaluation System. Hemiplegic recovery training is performed using a foot and foot orthosis, and the wall sling system is suitable for recovery training for elderly people who have a lot of uncomfortable conditions. This is done as standing training in order to improve straight walking training. In addition, the Marpe Level Up program offers training in body functions using a variety of accessories. Marpe Rehabilitation Daycare Center. Marpe Rehabilitation Daycare Center.